Okay, so
here we are.
Here we are. Bob finally decided to retire. We sold everything and we bought the RV. So it was, when was that?
August 5th? Oh, you're talking about when we first got the RV?
Yeah. So we get the RV like...
And actually, well, the way it happened was the RV became available, which actually
like a year ago.
Inspired me to look at some numbers and say, let's sell the house, let's sell everything and get the RV and take off. So finally we ended up and got it, spent the first night in Ventura. Previous owner came along with us, showed us how to set it up. We spent the night in Ventura, beautiful campground, but the price shocked me. And then he came back the next day, showed us how to take everything down. We got in the RV, and which is a little bit bigger than my.
So we brought it home. We parked it on the street. We got a permit for it because you can't park it on the street without a permit. What we did is we camped it to the KOA in Chula Vista twice just to practice how to use it. And then, what is it? June 22nd, the house was sold. So we had like 30 days escrow. We stayed in the house for 30 days and the owner gave us 3 days to stay. So we left on July 25th and then we were staying in the hotel in Shelter Island, right?
Yeah, where was the RV at this point?
The RV was, I don't know.
Yeah,
So anyway, we stayed in the hotel and the RV, we parked the RV in the Shelter Island. We park it during the day and we need to move it during the night because they don't allow overnight parking. So we park it at Bell's house.
We were told after we bought the RV that we needed they call it a dinghy, a car that you bring with you, because if you park your RV someplace, you can't move it every time you want to go somewhere. And when you get some places, where you want to go is 20, 30 miles away, and Uber and that kind of stuff doesn't work. You can rent a car, but we were told you need to get a dinghy, so we went out and bought one.
So there's the sad news. Before we left the house, our cat died and he's supposed to be in this RVentures. So we started our journey on August 5th. Is it? No, August 6th.
Well, whatever. We started our journey 5 minutes after they hooked up the car to the RV. We left the RV place and headed north to Morro Bay.
Yeah. So the
RVentures began.